that you guys come up with the right solution. Identify the problem that we've already selected, and also come with the solutions with the help of the team from iRise and also the team from UNICEF and the team from DOT.
Your Excellencies, Minister, officials, of course iRise team. I know you've been working very hard, and Samuel and all the UNICEF team for DOT. We are very happy and very proud and very excited to be here today. We've been also planning this for long weeks, and we've been investigating and imagining lots of things happening in Mogadishu, so finally being here with all of you, it's rather very exciting. And yeah, so thank you to all of you for the hard work, and to all of you, congratulations.
70% of the population of Somalia is youth, very young. And if you go further into the data, it tells you out of this youth population, 70%, 68% are unemployed. So which makes it one of the highest in the whole world. So just imagine where you have youth without jobs, youth unable to make a living, and then in a war situation. It is very challenging.